morning, everybody, and welcome to an edition of Sci Friday. So, got something cool here I want to show you. So, right here I have some just water with some blue food coloring in it. Okay, get it nice and close. Cool. And then right here, this red chemical here. This is actually isopropyl alcohol, and if you can see, there's some glitter on the bottom. What I did is I put the glitter into the bottle, put a magnetic stir bar in there, stirred it up really good, and the dye came off of the glitter and made the isopropyl alcohol go red. This is just so we can see the different colors between things in just a minute here. So right here I have an empty bottle, as you can see. Totally empty, nothing too special about this. And I have some salt over here. So first I'm going to put about 50 milliliters of the water into this empty bottle. All right, very good there. And I probably should be wearing goggles for this, so I'll go ahead and put my goggles on. This stuff, it's all household stuff. It's not that dangerous. And so, as you can see, we have 50 milliliters of water inside this bottle. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna add about 150 milliliters of the isopropyl alcohol. So there's already 50 milliliters in here, should give us about 200. We do know that there is no such thing as law of conservation of volume. You can see some interesting stuff with that. Just go see what happens when you add methanol to water. Anyways, back to this one. So gonna add about there we go. And I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. Oops, spill a little bit, that's okay. Gonna add a little bit more because I did put a little bit too much water in. Okay. And so as you can see right here, we got this sludgy mess. It is all one color. You would expect blue and red to make a nice purple color. It did not. It made a very ugly brownish sludgy color. And again, you can see it's all one big layer. Well, what if I wanted to separate these two again? So I'm going to add some salt. Just had to grab the salsa cup right here. It's gonna give us a good volume of the salt to add. And so, I'm gonna fill the salsa cup with the water, or should we fill up the salsa cup with the salt, excuse me. And salt's getting kind of places, but that's okay. This is all very benign right here. Okay. And we can see right here we've added the salt to the bottom, and I'm going to start shaking this, okay? And I've shaken it up real good. And as you can see, it is starting to separate right here. And so let's get a closer look at that. We shake it up real good. And this was all done by adding salt. As you remember, it was all one layer before. It was an ugly brown color, and now we are able to separate out the blue just by adding that salt. All right, everybody, well, what do you think is going on here? What ideas do you have? And I'll see you next week for another edition of Sci Friday. Have a good weekend, everybody.